Please join me everyone, in welcoming, Professor Walter Brainstein.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to the first annual Symposium of Sciencology, the study of the effects of bad science on the human psyche. What happens to you when you have bad science and you discover that it's wrong? Your eyes go all funny and you go, whoa, I was wrong. Well, you've just got to admit to the truth sometimes. I know it's hard. Thank you, thank you. I know it's hard. When I first suggested the model of the atom was wrong and that Niels Bohr was wrong, that atoms got nothing moving inside, that they were hard crystals, I got booed. They said, Brainstein, you're a crazy man. But it's the truth, and I proved it. Now that's the big thing. When you prove it, and they go, whoa, well, Brainstein was right. That's a great day when they realize that their science was wrong. But now we get it right. And I remember the day when I suggested that combustion was actually an implosion, that things got smaller that caused an explosive reaction. They said, Brainstein, there you go again, you're a crazy man. No, I'm not. I did experiments and I proved it. You know, what can I say? If I proved it, I proved it. They look at the experiments and they go, wow, you know, Brainstein's right. Wow. And then I remember the day. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. I remember the day when I suggested that the fundamental velocity of light wasn't fundamental. They said, what do you mean? I said, well, red light is slower than green light, and green light is slower than violet light. They don't all travel at the same speed. They went, Brainstein, you're a nut. And I went, well, I'm not a nut. Look, let me do the experiment, and I proved it. You know, what can I say? You know, I mean, the experiments talk for themselves. And then they call me a crazy man, okay? So I'm not that crazy. And then I remember the day when I said that, you know what? I'll bet you magnets are an illusion, that they're not really being pulled together, they're being pushed together. And they went, Brainstein, you're a nut. We can't take this anymore. They wanted to run me out of the university. But then I said, look, dark matter. And when I said dark matter, everybody went, oh, well, we like dark matter. Yeah, we understand dark. You do understand dark matter? And I said, it's dark matter. It's infinitely small and infinitely large. It's the infinite universe. And that we're being pushed to the planet. We're not being pulled. There's no magic attractive forces pulling us here. We're being pushed in this dark matter. So I did an equation, and I showed the value against the hydrogen atom, and it seems to measure up right, and my equations were right, and they said, oh, there they go again with Brainstein, you know, oh, we got Brainstein driving us crazy, you know. I'm not trying to drive nobody crazy, I'm just saying, look, here are the equations, and here's the experiments, and it works. So that's the reason for Sciencology. Sciencology is the study of the effects on the brain of bad science. And, you know, down through the ages, you know, remember Copernicus who said, you know, that the earth wasn't in the center, and everybody really got mad at him. Oh, boy. Okay, you know, and the Big Bang, you know, if the velocity of light isn't fundamental, then we're measuring things wrong. Okay, and the redshift ain't what we think it is. Okay, and that means the Big Bang didn't happen. Boy, they really got on me for that one, you know. What can I say, you know? So that's the reason for Sciencology. And I want to thank you all for being members and for joining up and searching out and looking for science that's just wrong and the effects that it has on people when we're going in the wrong direction because it's bad science. So thank you. Thank you all for being here.